Hello and welcome to my new video. If you need more gems for MeChat, then you should watch this video till the end, cause I will show you the way to get unlimited gems for MeChat in just a few minutes. As you can see, I have this app MeChat Plus Plus installed on my device. It is a special modded version of MeChat in which you can get unlimited gems in just a few minutes. So in this video I will show you how the mod works, and then I will uninstall this modded version of MeChat, and then I will install it again to show you the whole process of downloading this app. So for now, let's check the app. So I got this modded version from ogapps.top, as you can see right here on the alert. So let's close this right now. And as you can see, I have a lot of gems already, but if I need to add more, then I should choose any of these packages that cost me $0. So let's add some gems right now, maybe this, and as you can see it is working really good. Now let's add this, maybe this. As you can see, the mod is working good. Let's add this. Okay. Okay, I can use also the VIP club. So let's add maybe this. So that is working really cool. The mod is great. MeChat Plus Plus, as you can see right here. It is a special modded version of MeChat in which I can get unlimited gems in just a few minutes. So this modded version is working for Android and iOS devices. I have an iPhone right here, but it doesn't matter. The way of downloading this mod is the same for Android and iOS. So right now I will delete this MeChat Plus Plus modded version. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to your browser and go to this awesome website ogapps.top. As you can see right here, ogapps.top, and you need to find here MeChat. Okay, MeChat mod. Click here, and if you have an Android, click Android. I have an iPhone, so I will click iOS, and the process of downloading will take a couple of seconds. Okay, so preparing download. This is the site ogapps.top, and now it is downloading package installer. Okay, installation in progress, and the install succeeded. So all I need to do is to close this Safari browser, and as you can see I have downloaded again MeChat Plus Plus modded version with unlimited gems. So that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Bye.